Millet Marvels, changing the way world eats by Tenali Double Horse.
Well, welcome to my show Trendsetter. We are in a restaurant where you can cook and eat. Well, you must be going to restaurant where people serve you. But this is the first restaurant where you can cook, have your own meal. Well, it's something sounds different, right? And the name is 63. Well, this is just not the number, but there is a reason behind it. What is the reason? We'll come to know. So please come. Let my camera follow you. Well, we are in the hotel. We are just getting into this restaurant. I can see, you can see the waiting area. The chairs are like fully traditional. We have, all our older age, the look is quite related to traditional look. Well, I like this kind of sculptures. I think you guys we all miss our traditional themes, culture. So I can see the entrance part is just a very natural feeling I can get. The kind of plantation and you don't feel like that you are in a restaurant. I think I'm in some village or I'm going to my relative place and, the kind of marble, the earlier time we used to have. So I think we should go inside and let's have a look what self-cooking means here. So we are inside the hotel and we have a spokesperson who will take us a tour about the 63-degree temperature. What is the exact meaning, the theme? When I was just entering into your restaurant, I just feel a very cultured feeling, the traditional look. The name is 63, but once you come, you feel something different. Yeah. Like the name and the theme is totally different. How come?
Firstly, welcome to 63.
Okay.
So the whole point of having this buffet place is because there's a lot of IT area, because we are in the heart of the IT base. So we wanted to have more of a space where people can come down for a lunch or a dinner and have a relaxed time and not feel like they are in a corporate structure or a commercial building again. So we wanted to keep a bit of the Bali vibe. So that's the reason a lot of the...
But I feel more of the traditional look. Like when we go to our villages, our houses, the looks are same.
Correct. So we kind of wanted the terracotta colors so that it's more relaxing when someone sits around, and so we have plantations around the place and all.
And
so
I can see this all the kind of lighting looks. It's totally different. Yeah. These are what, like cement?
No, like the base is a temporary structure, but then the sides are completely terracotta colors.
Terracotta color.
Yeah.
And so you have tried to give more of traditional. I can see the entrance part also, we used to have beds.
Yes,
teak wood ka bed. Yes, so this kind of a look used to be there.
Correct.
So I think everything has been on traditional look. But in your name, 63 doesn't show it. So but what is the theme behind 63? It's your lucky number, as you said.
Not really. So 63 degrees as such is the optimal temperature for cooking seafood, because we wanted to have a proper seafood grill, which we still have. So that's the so 63 degrees Celsius is how we came up with the name 63. So
the temperature has to be, there is a logic behind it?
Yes, ma'am. So while you're cooking seafood on a grill, so technically if you're doing it at 63 degrees Celsius, that's when it cooks optimally. Like it doesn't get burnt out, nor does it get messed up. So
so that's the reason the name is 63. So I think for normally also people who cook non-veg, they should keep that temperature 63.
For the grills, yes. So
but people must be getting shocked. They must not be understanding the meaning exactly.
Correct.
What is 63?
Correct. But then we've been trying to explain to guests that walk in, so we keep doing that.
Okay, because the name and the theme is totally different. So we can just go ahead and I can just wanted my cameraman to come with us. This background, all these things, we see in different places.
Correct.
So where from, what was the idea behind it? I think this is a god related.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So we have even Garuda statue in the corner. So these are all from Bali that we got.
So these are a god-based structures you got it.
Yes. It's a mix of the interiors and the landscape that is used in Bali. So it's a mix of that.
So this is the name is, what do you name that?
Garuda.
This god.
This one I will have to check.
Okay. Okay, and we'll go further. So the design is based on the god,
It's a mix, ma'am. It's more of that regional vibe that we wanted to add.
This is, I think, temple look.
Mix look, ma'am. It's not exactly...
I can see if I can show it to this. Again, it's based on something.
The whole of Indonesian vibe that we wanted to create.
So mainly you wanted to create an Indonesian
Indonesian,
vibe, Asia
Indonesian,
vibe,
yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Bali vibe.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't need to go Bali. Come here, have your food.
Correct. And
Don't
we have
miss
good
Bali.
food. We have good food. So
The kind of food which you get from Bali, you'll get it here. The
Uh,
seafood, basically. Their food culture or something.
no,
like
ma'am, the vibe is that.
the vibe,
Yeah.
the theme.
The food, we have mix of regional food. So we have Nellore chapla bulso, we have crab masala, we have, even in veg, we have dal
But I
makhani
heard
and-
that you are giving a variety of 250.
Yes.
I mean,
so,
one will get confused here. And
we
the
keep-
cost is also very economical, not much.
So for veg, we are priced at 963 plus taxes. For non-veg, we are priced at 1063 plus taxes.
but the money is later part, but 250 dishes.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong,
Yes,
like
ma'am. So what we do is we keep changing it based on the feedback. So the menu that you had in January to the menu that we have now is different.
so every month
so we
250
keep
dishes
updating.
will be changed.
So we keep updating the dishes and all. So
I think the exact figure 250 we can give. You'll
it
get a
keeps
buffet
going
of
up and down.
250.
It does keep going up and down. Sometimes we do more, sometimes we do less. So it's
The
updated.
highest
That we have to keep a track of. So yeah.
250 plus we can say. So let's move here. I think from here we can go to your
We can actually go to the mess platter here.
this background. So I think now next this is all the buffet part.
Yes, ma'am.
So the interior part, I just want a little bit on your this
Yeah,
designs. I think you can talk about something if you want to talk, like the designing part, walls, everything. I think.
So we kind of wanted the whole traditional thing so that it's kind of relaxing and it's
Yeah,
not
its
too much
ambience was really good.
Thank
And
you.
then we have again 250 variety of dishes. I think you have to take a big round. So I think you take 20-25 minutes to full your plate. What I believe.
Ma'am, on an average,
Because it takes time for a
on an
person,
average,
yeah.
by the time a guest has an entire meal, it's around 2 hours. ma'am.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDreams.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team అందరికి huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.